Namaste, welcome to all. Today we'll discuss algebraic identity using binomial expansion. We know a plus b whole power 1, that is a plus b only. We can write the binomial coefficient 1c 0, a and 1c 1b. Similarly, a plus b whole square identity we know. Okay, that can be written as 2c 0 a square, 2c1 a into b, 2c2 b square. Here if you observe, uh, how many terms are there means if the index is 2, then you will be having 3 terms. If the index is 3, you will be having 4 terms. That is one more than the index, we can say. And what else we can infer means, here see degree of the each term you check. Here a square 2, here a degree is 1, b degree is 1. So total degree, that is sum of the index 2. So here third term also 2. So each term degrees are same, then they are equal to the degree of the binomial expansion. Similarly, here also you observe a plus b whole cube. And more, you can observe one more thing. The first variable will start with highest index, a cube. Next, a square in second term. In third term, a. Okay. In fourth term, you will not be having a because a power 0, 1 you can consider. Similarly, second variable, see here b power 0, it will go in increasing order. B power 1, b square, b cube, it goes in increasing order. First variable, it will start with highest index. First term will be a cube. Last term will be, second variable will be in highest index. And how it will change means that first variable will go in a decreasing order. Second variable will go in increasing order. Okay, that is one pattern we can observe. We can write now formula for a plus b whole power 4c. And these are the binomial coefficients. You can use Pascal triangle also. They are nothing but, if you want to 3c0 means, here you can use Pascal triangle. How the terms are obtained means, first and last terms will be 1. Okay, first and last terms are 1. In between, if you want means, you have to add previous 2 terms. Here 1 plus 1, 2. So second term binomial coefficient is 2 here, a plus b whole square. If it is a plus b whole cube, the second term coefficient, how will you get means 1 plus 2, previous 2 terms you are adding 3. 3c1 is 3c. Next, 3c2 is also 3. 2 plus 1 you have to add. So here we wrote in binomial coefficient form. Now we'll write general expansion and how to find binomial coefficients also we'll tell. Yeah. Let me write the general expansion. Wait. Okay, I have to select and I'll move the screen so that I can write the binomial expansion. Now, right. So x plus y whole power n I will take. So according to this, first coefficient will be nc0 and x first term will be x will be the highest index, that is x power n. Next nc1 will be there. X will be reducing its index by 1. Okay, next y will come, y power 1 will come. Similarly, next third term will be nc2. X index will be n minus 2 and the y index will be y square. If you add the index, no, n minus 2 plus 2, n only it is. Nothing but each term degree will be n only, that we know, that we have observed. Next to see, you can write the general term. Okay, general term of the binomial expansion, that is very important. That is r plus 1th term, we can write like this, ncr x power n minus r and y power r. Okay, we can continue like this. And finally, what you are going to get is, last but one term will be nc n minus 1. X will have index 1. Here you observe this index will change. Y power n minus 1 it is. Last term ncn. And you know that first variable will not be there. And the second variable will have highest index, that is n. This is the binomial expansion. See, Here, this binomial coefficients we have written in NCR forms. NCR, its formula we know, that is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial is the formula. Here see n you can take positive integer only. In binomial expansion also you can mention this. N is positive integer, r is natural number, and r less than or equal to n. Here in r plus one term r is there, no? That is less than or equal to n. Okay, less than or equal to index. So that and all conditions you can write. Now see, we'll illustrate one example, then we'll come to know. See, a plus b whole power 4 or a minus b whole power 4 if you want to find formula. Then you can use the binomial expansion. Okay, first we'll write the variables. A will start with highest power, we told. And we write the coefficients also better one time. 4c0 is the first coefficient. 4c1 is the second coefficient. And a index will reduce by 1. B will start. Here minus b is there. See. Minus b whole power 1 plus third term will be 4c2. A will reduce by 1 and minus b, it will increase, its index will increase by 2, increase by 1 only, sorry. Next, fourth term, 4c3. A will reduce by 1 more. Second variable will increase by 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Last term 4c4, I think. Okay. A will not be there, A40. You can no need to write here. And minus B, that will be with highest index, that is 4. Here, how to find 4c0 and all, we'll see. Okay. See, 4c0 using the formula 4 factorial by n minus r factor. 4 minus 0, that is 4 factorial only. R factorial is 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. 4 factorial, 4 factorial, both will get cancelled. So finally, you will get 1 only. See here 4c1, that means nc0 is always 1. Similarly, same manner ncn also will be 1 only. So 4c0, that 4c4, they are equal to 1. Next you have to find 4c1, 4 factorial. N minus r means 4 minus 1, that is 3 factorial. By r factorial means 1 factorial. Here see, 4 factorial means we will find it, we can find the 4 factorial by writing the product of the numbers from 4 to 1. Similarly, 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, here these factors will get cancelled and finally you will get 4. So here see, this 4, one more interesting thing is the coefficients from starting beginning and from the end will be equals. NC0 is equals to NCN. Similarly, NC1 is equals to NCN minus 1. Okay, that coefficients will be equal from the beginning and from the end. If you see, they are equal. 4C1 will be equal to, why? Because means this we are having in binomial expansion one important formula, that is, what is that means? NCR is equals to NCN minus R. Okay, so 4C3, if you want to find, means that is 4C3, what you can do? 4 minus 3, N minus R, no? 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 means 4C1. 4C1 just now you found, that is 4. So 4C1 R, 4C3 is 4 only. Just what else you have to find means just you have to find 4C2. Then you can do, you can write the expansions here. Okay, you can use the Pascal triangle also. Same thing will come. See, you can use Pascal triangle also. Okay, 4C4 you see, 4C2. Okay, what is that means? 4 factorial by 4 minus n minus r means 2 factorial. R factorial is 2 factorial. Okay, if you simplify this, what you will get? 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 factorial, 2 into 1. This also 2 into 1. So 2, 2, and this 4 you cancel. 3 into 2, 6 it is. Okay, so 6 value. Here you can use classical triangle to find the coefficients. A power 4. But from first onwards, you have to write. Okay, first and last coefficients are 1. If you want to find the coefficient of second term, 1 plus 3. Previous two terms you have to add, that is 4. 4C1 is 4, no? If you want to find third coefficient, that is 4C2. 3 plus 3, 6. Here also you got 6 only. And fourth term, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Now you write the binomial expansion. A minus B whole power 4 formula we are writing. 4C1 is 1, A power 4. See here minus is there means just see in algebraic identities also. A plus B whole cube you wrote. A minus B whole cube if you want to means one term will be positive, another term will be negative. Why it happens so means here this minus will come outside. It is raised to odd powers, no minus will be there. 4C1, 4 we have seen. You can see classical coefficients from Pascal triangle or binomial coefficients. This is A cube B. That minus I wrote at front side C. Okay. Next to see. Third term 4C2 just now we have seen. Third term coefficient is 6. 4C2 we have calculated. A square. Here I wrote press only. Why? Because minus B whole square. When you rise to even power, will get positive only. Next, this minus will come. It is raised to odd power. No, this term will come minus. 4C3, you have seen 4C3 value is also 4. 4 A into B cube. And 4C4 is 1. Minus B whole power 4. He rise to even power means positive value will get. So this is the formula for A minus B whole power 4. So we using binomial expansion, you can find this. Find for formula for A plus B whole power 4 or A plus B whole power 5. Okay. See, you just have to remember this. How many terms will be there? How you can observe the patterns. First variable will start with highest power. It will keep on, the index will be reducing by 1 in each successive terms. Second variable, it will increase by 1. Coefficients, binomial coefficients you have seen 4C0, 4C1, how to calculate them and all. Okay. Similar, you can use classical triangle, but first onwards you have to write. Then only you will get this fourth A plus B whole power 4. Okay, using binomial coefficients, see not only for A minus B, other expressions like x minus 2y whole square or any binomial expansion, we can use this formula and expand and find the terms. Hope this section is useful. Thanks for watching.